Hello, today we will guide you through how to ADD volume indicator in MT5 Mobile. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main navigation options. If you are already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. The goal here is to access the chart area since indicators are added directly from the chart screen. Once the app is open, tap on Chart at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the chart view where you can see price movement for the selected trading instrument. If a chart is already open, that is perfectly fine. You just need to be on the chart section before continuing. After that, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the indicator icon. This section is where MT5 lets you manage the technical indicators displayed on your chart. If you are new to MT5, indicators are tools that help you analyze market activity more easily, and volume is one of the most commonly used ones. When the Indicators panel opens, tap on the plus sign. This allows you to add a new indicator to the chart. The plus icon usually opens a list of available indicators, so once you tap it, you should see different categories or a menu containing multiple options. Next, scroll down through the list and look for volume. Take your time here, especially if the list is long. The volume indicator is used to show trading activity on the chart, which can help give extra context to price movements. Finding the correct option is important before moving on. Once you see volume, tap on it and customize the settings as needed. Depending on your version of MT5 Mobile, you may be able to adjust details such as colors, thickness, or other display preferences. Choose the settings that make the indicator easiest for you to read on your screen. If you are unsure what to change, the default settings are usually a good place to start. After customizing it, the volume indicator will be added to your chart, allowing you to monitor volume directly alongside your market analysis. This can make your chart easier to interpret, especially when you want to compare price action with trading activity. That's it. You have successfully added the volume indicator in MT5 Mobile.